Greeting, this is Matt Bow. We're going to be looking at how we can use Google Meet to start a meeting, or we can actually schedule, or we can actually invite somebody in Google Meet, right? So I'm going to guide you through this particular area, right, shortly. So we're going to be looking at the instructions. So these are the instructions right here: how to start a meeting in Google Meet, how to invite people in Google Meet, how to use the chat in Meet, how to share screen in Meet, and how to end the meeting. So all of this we're going to actually look at in the Meet. So it's very important here. Right, so the first thing we wanted to do is bring up the browser. Here we bring up the browser, we're going to click on an email address that we can access sign in to start the Meet. So I'm going to put in the email address right here, and then I'm going to put right here next. Right, so that's definitely going to take me directly to the section where I can actually select. Right, so if you notice right up here, the 9 little dot, I'm going to click on the 9 little dot right here. So while I click on the 9 little dot right here, this itself is Meet. I'm going to click on the Meet. So I click on the Meet now. Then if you notice right here, there we go. Right, so we're definitely going to click right here. So it says start new meeting, and notice right here it says create a meeting for later. Right, so it says start an instant meeting. Right here it says scheduling calendar. So I'm going to click right here. When I click right here in Google Meet, definitely as you can see, it actually process it right here. So while the processing still, you will see exactly what takes place right here. So therefore, definitely I'm actually in the meeting so far. So it's very important, right? So we're going to see what is the instruction next. If you notice, it's how to invite people in the meeting, right? So we're going to be looking at that, or we can invite people in the meeting, right? So very important now here, right over here, be sure that I can invite others. So if I click right here, notice bring up this little window right here. And notice it show a different type of email here. And if I come right here and I type M, notice there you go, and I can click. As soon as I click, you notice right here, it says send email. I can click right here and send email. I can come right here now, and also can copy the invitation. So I can come right here, stop that, and then I can come all the way down here at this end. While I click right there, it's right up here so that I can actually invite person again from this particular angle. Right. So now we look at that particular section now. Let's see what next on the list. Alright, so for 13, how to use the chat, definitely. Alright, so the next thing that we wanted to do using the chat. Alright, let me bring up back the thing here. Alright, this is selfie the chat. So I want to click right here on the chat, and if you notice right up here, it shows let everyone send message by clicking. If I click this, it actually turn off. Right, so I click here for everybody. So you're going to come all the way down here, type, click right here. For instance, I can say greetings right here. And then when I'm done, I can press enter per keyboard. I can press the send icon right here. And notice it show up right here. So any amount of person in the meeting, it will later show up in the meeting. Right? And that's how it can actually work. And when you finish, you can come right here and close it. Right? So what next? If you notice how to share screen. So now we're going to be looking at that particular section where we can share screen. Alright, so you can come right here and click. Notice it says a tab, a window, and show you one entire screen. Right, so you can click right here. You notice it show you with this tab right here. So you want to show in Google Classroom or whatever. You can click right there. Notice it says share. When you click, you notice it actually shows you what inside here. You can click up here so back and say stop share. Here, so notice you're back in Meet. So next share again when you click. Then we're going to click on the window. When you click on the window now, you notice you can actually select one of these stuff right here. In here, you can actually select it. So when you click here, you can come like this. You notice it actually bring up this. You can come right here, stop share. Right, so it's very important here to minimize this. If you notice this is itself again, so if you come right here, share, you can click also on the whole entire screen. Right, which is this, and then you can come like that. there you go. You can come right here and also stop share. Again, just the same. So it's very important. Let us look and see what next. How we can do it. Right here, show that how to end the meeting. Right, so very important. We're going to be looking at how we can end the meeting. But if you notice right here, at this red icon here, we're going to click. When you click, you notice a leave the call or end the call. Right, and if you want to cancel, you can click this. But I'm going to end it. I'm going to click right here and notice. So you have ended the meeting for everyone. So right here, show that I can actually return to the screen, home screen, right? And it will take me right back around here where I actually start from. So hope you have learned something from this video. You also consider to share to your friend so the friend can actually benefit from it also.